Oh, okay. I'm already started. I just started recording. You come on, let's go. People need snow plows, skip shovels.